I'm Matt Gruen. I've been at WEKA over a year now, and I'm the channel chief. I'm responsible for channel sales. What I like about WEKA is the collaboration, the support throughout the organization, the way we can work between departments. One interesting anecdote is right after I started at WEKA, I was talking with our co-founder and CEO, Liron, and Liron said, "You should think about talking with John about this topic." And okay, a couple hours later, there we are, the three of us sitting together at the end of the meeting. I said, "John, by the way, Liron wants me to talk to you about this topic." And Liron immediately said, "No, I didn't say that." And I was shocked. I said, "You should think about it. I want you to make those decisions. I don't want to tell people what to do." And as a leader within the company, that's something I think about when working with my team and colleagues in other parts as well, as we need to work at this collaboratively and build an environment, build a product, build a company together. So our leadership team, and certainly our executive team, our founders, are always very open to ideas. They listen, and they're willing to change their mind. And at the fast pace that we move, that says something, because it does sometimes create a change of direction, a change of resource allocation, but again, everyone's committed to doing the right thing for WEKA. So I really enjoy WEKA in part. It's an emerging company, and what an emerging company means, everyone's very focused on outcomes. We all have to pull our weight. There's not bureaucracy, there's not enough people, there's not enough time for that. And so we're all about collaboration and getting to the right answer and getting to it quickly. And so when I look at coming to WEKA, part of what excited me was that environment and the chance it gives you then to make an impact, right? I work with some very large partners. And when I talk to people there, one of their challenges is not being able to necessarily impact the environment the same way. But everything I do every day, I can see the results within weeks, if not days. So we recently had a quarterly business review and ended the evening with a company meeting at a nearby winery. First off, it's surprising here in Silicon Valley that such a magnificent property and edifice exists. It's really cool to think that as a growing company, emerging company of our size, we have the resources to take advantage of that, to bring the team together and have a great evening. The discussion was very easy, it was very free-flowing, and this is not only people that work at headquarters, but people out in our field, and everyone feels comfortable and feels like they can talk to each other, enjoy each other's company, and again, really smart people that come up with some great ideas.